It's DIY day! Woo! That was your like quick cheerleading session from us. So today we're going to be making a DIY lip scrub inspired by the Lush scrubs.
Ooh, they're so expensive. I'm happy we're making this instead.
They're expensive, but they smell so good, and we're basically gonna knock it off.
Okay. Lush is really expensive. Like, you go into that store, you come out like $100 deep.
Yeah, but it's like you
and we
flip the bottle.
Make it, you guys. We can make it.
You flip the bottle. It says "Made by Ani," and you're like, "Aw, Ani made it for me."
Made by Nora.
Yeah. So it's super simple, you guys. All you need is sugar, vanilla extract, food coloring, and olive oil. Are you ready?
I'm ready. But
Let's
what's this?
Oh, I was waiting for you.
It's our giveaway, but you have to stay tuned until the end of the video to find out what it is.
Yeah.
Okay,
all right, let's make
some scrub.
Okay, so what you need for this scrub is a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of olive oil, and then a drop of vanilla extract for the yummy, yummy smell, and a little bit of food coloring.
Okay.
Don't go crazy with the food coloring because it could actually end up staining your lips, and you don't want it to.
So technically, can you skip the food coloring?
Yeah, but the reason it's the Lush inspired one because we want to make it like the color ones that they have. Okay.
Let's get our sugar.
Wow, guys.
You guys like
Do you see what I deal with?
You like that one?
My cheese ball right here. Okay, so a teaspoon of sugar.
Okay.
A teaspoon of olive oil. Wow, this is weird. Ani's my assistant today.
I don't think I woke up today. That's why.
And then we have to mix this little concoction. And
can I do the food coloring?
With the measurements for this whole thing, you guys, you don't need, you could put more in there if you want to make like a bigger container.
Okay.
Or you could put less in there if you just want to quickly make it for like a one-time use. So depending on your needs. You know what I mean?
My needs are a lot.
A lot? Okay.
I'm going to take this whole thing.
Oh. Actually, I really need it. This weather has made my lips super dry. Okay, a very small drop of vanilla extract.
And then like what, 2 drops?
No, small.
Small. Okay, 1 drop.
Okay. All right, so you mix it up. Do you see how that one small drop went a long way?
Really did go a long way.
If you were to put 2 drops, it would start staining our lips. But this is like the perfect.
It would be like blood red.
Yeah, this is the perfect color. Okay,
and we have a cute little container. Fine, you can have this one because I know that your lips are really dry.
Whoa, do you guys see that cloud that just came over my head?
No, you said
Ani brought the shade.
You said I need this because of the weather, you guys. She said that. That's why I'm saying it.
Shade right there.
And that's totally my joke you've been stealing. With the cloud over my head.
Shade.
Okay, I'm gonna use some.
I have to remove my lip gloss.
I did it on top of mine.
Well, yeah, you can technically.
It tastes really good.
Don't finish all of it. It smells good, right?
You can eat it after, right?
Yeah, it's sugar, vanilla. Technically, you can. So we should title this Edible Lip Scrub.
I just straight up ate that one.
I hope this helps my lips.
You guys, such an easy DIY. I love it. As far as our giveaway goes, we are going to be giving away the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir Lip Oil. So cool. In order to qualify for the giveaway, you have to leave a comment below. You have to be subscribed to our channel, and you have to like our video.
You have to. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Whatever. Bye.